Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your app's HTTP networking to use OkHttp step by step clearly. First, ensure your development environment is properly set up. Open your project in Android Studio. Navigate to the build.gradle file in your app module. Add the OkHttp dependency in the dependencies section. Use the latest version of OkHttp, which can be found on the official OkHttp website. Sync your project to download the new dependency. Identify the existing networking library you are using. Locate all instances in your code where the old networking library is called. Start by refactoring the networking classes to integrate OkHttp. Create a new class for your OkHttp client. In this class, initialize a new instance of OkHttp client. Set any desired configurations, such as timeouts and caching. Replace old HTTP requests in your code with OkHttp calls. Use OkHttp's request builder to construct your requests. Specify the URL and any required headers in these requests. Add any necessary parameters for your API calls. Make sure to handle the response using call and callback for asynchronous requests. Implement error handling to catch any exceptions that may occur. Test your application to ensure all network calls function as expected. Verify that your app is now using OkHttp for network operations. Review the OkHttp documentation for advanced features and optimizations. Clean your project to remove any unnecessary files or dependencies. Finally, commit your changes to version control. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.